Hi, Alair. What is your best friend name?
Hi, his name is Diego.
How old is he?
And he is 21 years old.
What does he do?
He's studying engineering. He wakes up at 6 a.m., goes to class, and he's studying this afternoon. In the afternoon, he doesn't know cook. And your best friend, Nicole?
Her name is Camila. She is 20 years old.
What does she do?
She is teacher. She is works in that morning and reads in the evening. She does not go out at night.
Nice.
Stands